Odette here, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. I am doing another video for you guys today, as you can tell. Same clothes, same hair. I don't really care. Okay, and I hope you guys don't mind either. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys today, and when I picked this up from the post, I'm thinking, what the hell is this? I don't remember ordering anything, but then when I look at the packaging, it says colored Raine, and I thought, oh, I forgot all about this. So we're going to be doing this unboxing for you guys right now, and I'm just going to open the box so we all are going to see what's on the inside. I haven't done an unboxing on my channel for such a long time, and plus I don't usually buy a lot of makeup and stuff like that anymore. There was just like no point. But so let's just bust this box open and we can see what's inside. And have you ever had an opportunity where you buy something, order something online, and then you say, what the hell did I get? So let me just take a look at this, and yeah, so we're just going to do some unboxing. So the first thing I do have here, this is a lip liner, and it's called the Queen Bee lip liner. Here it is. So we're just going to open this up, and to be honest with you guys, seriously, I don't even remember buying these things. Oh my god, the packaging is quite nice. Let me just do a little swatch. Ah, that is just lovely. Hope you guys can see that right there. Really nice. Queen Bee. I think this is the Queen Bee collection, if I'm not mistaken. And the name of the lip liner is called The Buzz. Very nice, lovely, lovely packaging. And next I'm pulling out, this is a colored Raine lipstick. Let me show you the packaging. It's really, really neat, very, very simple. Nothing fancy to it. And we are just going to open this up, and we are just going to see what this is all about. Lovely packaging. Here we go. Here we be. Okay. And you know what? This is why can't I speak today? This is my shade of lipstick. Very nude, very muted, great for the summertime. You know, that little hint of color on your lips. I mean, it's a big difference between the one I'm wearing right now, which is from Jaclyn Hill, but this is a little bit warmer. And let me just see. It's very soft. It's beautiful, soft, warm pink. Pinkish, brownish undertone, and of course, I am going to be obviously using these things and showing you guys in another video. So we're just going to put that back. And let's just see what this big mama is. This is their PR package. This is a Queen Bee colored Raine PR box, and there it is. Very pretty, very attractive. It's absolutely gorgeous, and you do have a picture of the bee right there. Hope you guys can see that. Okay, very nice. And I'm really happy that they put, you know, some of their products in a PR, because it's always nice to get a good a PR every once in a while. And this is what the PR package looks like. It's very, very pretty. You have a whole bunch of things in it, and there we go. So you do have the lip liner, and you do have two lip liners, and you do have, let me just see what this is. The packaging is quite nice. Oh my god. So this is a matte lip liquid lipstick, I think it is. Let's just open this up. I'm hoping I'm doing this on the right end. Let's just open this up, shall we? Oh my god, it's really nice. I mean, look at the color. Almost like a peachy type of color. Let's just do a little swatch. Oh wow. That is really nice. Look at the shimmer on that. That is really, really pretty. And there is probably, let me see if there's a scent to it. Just a slight scent to the lipstick. Oh my god, I am just dying for the packages. And this is another liquid lipstick here. Let's just open this one. see what this one is all about. Oh my god, look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Colored Raine, I'm so impressed. Wow. So this one is a little bit more of a peachy undertone, the one on top, and the one to the bottom is a little bit lighter. Very nice. OMG. And of course, you do have the two lip liners in here as well. The PR package is just very, very, very pretty. So and I think the one in the middle, this is obviously, I'm gonna show you, it's an eyeshadow palette. Let's just open this up. I mean, my god, look at the package, guys. The package is quite sweet. And of course it says Queen Bee Colored Raine on there. Ah! My god. Throw me off this chair already. Look at the colors. Feast your eyes on these colors, guys. They are pretty. Very pretty. Wow. I am so impressed with this PR package. It's very, very, very pretty. Ah, I'm so excited. So you do have the palette, okay? In this PR package, you do have two lip liners, and of course you do have two lipsticks. The PR package is very, very, very pretty, and of course you do have the B on the package right there. You can even keep this for storage if you're limited on storage space. And I have a couple more things in here. Let's just get these out. And what do I have here? This is just a scissors. Like, why would I order a scissors? But it's just a scissors you can use to cut your eyelashes and stuff like that, because I do have a separate scissors for my eyelashes and to open packages. So for example, this one here, I use to open up any packages I have. And I do have a black one, like to cut my lashes and stuff like this as well. But this is really nice. This is just a purple, purple scissors. And of course, this one here is probably another lipstick. It's a matte lipstick, and I'm not sure what this one's called, but it's going to be down below for you guys. And I'm just going to open this up quickly so you can see what it is. Ah, here are the colors. Here we go. I mean, I haven't purchased anything from Colored Raine in years. I still do have quite a few lipsticks from them, but and the lipsticks are always sold out. Ah, my god, look at that purple. And you may say to yourself, wow, that's a little deep, but you know what though? It's not. It is very nice. It feels like it's really, really soft as well. Love that. The colors are just really, really pretty. The packaging is really, really nice. And again, let's just go over this one more time to see what I got from Colored Raine. Let me just open up the box. So this is the lipstick I just showed you guys, a purple lipstick. And this is just a pair of scissors. I'm not quite sure why I got the pair of scissors. I really don't know. This is a lip liner. This is the lipstick. And I just want to make sure that I'm not missing anything from the box. That's right. And this is a beautiful Queen Bee PR package from Colored Raine. It says, get the buzz on. So these are everything that I got from Colored Raine, and I will definitely encourage you guys to pick up this PR package because I think it's very limited. It's a limited edition, and again, it's so attractive. Could you imagine this is on your vanity or maybe in your beauty room? It's going to look so pretty as a decoration in the background. It's going to look lovely. The packaging is very, very pretty, very cute, and I'm very impressed with it. And again, everything that I got is going to be down below for you guys in the description box. And I do hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you guys next time. Toodles!